if I'm a Xora customer and I'm using jobs, which I encourage all of you to do, it's a very, very powerful capability. You can see here, we'll look at the jobs area, and this worker has 3 jobs that are assigned to him at this point in time. Drop off supplies, installation, replace parts. Now, if I want to associate a trip with a job, I actually have a couple different ways I can do that. One way I can do it is actually, let's go back to where I was. One way I can do it is exactly how I did the trip in the last time. So here I'm going to start another trip, and again, I can enter the odometer, I can take a picture, but I also have the ability to select a job to associate that trip with. So I simply touch the button that says Select Job, and now it shows me the different jobs that I have on my device, the different active jobs. All I have to do is select one of them, and then it automatically will associate this trip with that job. I can also do that through the jobs menu itself. So if I look at my jobs, we see the 3 jobs that I had seen before, the drop off supplies, installation, replace parts, but I now see that there's this extra note. The installation job actually now has a trip in progress. And in fact, if I click into that job, I have a new option where here I can say, I can actually end that trip associated with that job. So I can end it, and you'll see, let me go ahead and end this right now. I end that job, I come back to the trips, but if I go back into my jobs list now, so I'm now completed my trip. I haven't completed the job yet, but I've completed my trip. And then I still have my list of jobs. So again, if I wanted to start one of these jobs, I can go do it. If I wanted to create another trip, I could do that from the trips icon, or I can do it right from my job screen as well. So I can again select, say, that installation job, and now I can start a trip right directly from here. So at this point in time, any of the jobs that are available to me, I could actually start a trip. So let me start another trip for that installation job. So that just takes me back to that same screen I'm now used to, and I've already selected the job. I already have the odometer from the end of the last trip, and I simply say start, and now I've started another trip, and I now have that trip is associated with that job.